Hello, welcome to Manifesting with Folake. Today I'm going to be giving you some powerful tips that's going to allow you to create more in your life regardless of where you are, regardless of the resources that you have at hand, regardless of the challenges. What I'm going to speak to you about today, it's literally like magic. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that now because amazing content drop here. We don't do fluff, we do really strong, powerful stuff that you can use to create a wonderful life. I really want to talk about something that's been working really well for me, something that is so simple, and I feel it's so underestimated in terms of what it can really do for us. It's harder for us to manifest. It's harder for us to manifest in the way that we talk about here in Manifesting with Folake, which is finding a way that we can manifest with a little bit more ease, without the overwhelm, and tap into resources that are already within us to create the things that we want. Now, one of those things that are already within us is our energy and how we use our energy to create and to mold things. This aspect of us is already here. If we are going according to these lines and this theme of creating from this way of being, relaxation is actually one of our most powerful tools that we have. The thing about manifesting is that if we're going to manifest in such a powerful way, our body, the physical body, needs to be very relaxed. And this is the opposite to what our body does when we're really pushing hard and when we're really hustling and when we are really under challenging times and really pushing ourselves to really meet those deadlines. Our body needs to be able to relax so that we can ease through, whatever it is that we're going through to get to the other end. Because really, this is what manifestation is all about. Manifestation for me, it's about going from one physical existence, one physical reality to a different reality. This essentially is what manifestation means. It means like, you're in this current existence of perhaps maybe having this and this, but you want to manifest something different. You want to manifest a different reality where you have this and that, and you need to maneuver yourself to go from where you are right now to where you want to be. That process, we don't never think about it like that. It's actually a journey. It's it's a transformation from one state to the other, and this is what an energy alchemist does, transforming things. So if we are going to be creating with a little bit more ease, we need to bring in this concept into how we're creating or into our mindset, and this is where relaxation really comes to play. Now, if you think about it the way I'm teaching you, where manifestation is a process of transformation where you are going from A to B, where you're going from your current reality to your next current reality, it's actually more energetic. It's more of an energetic process than you probably think it is. It's more of moving through something, because really the actual manifestation, it's an energy thing, and we tend to see it as a physical thing. The physical thing where you actually see the actual object that you're manifesting, it's a perception. It's a physical human perception. That is what you see to believe that you already have it. But the actual thing that is going on is more of an energetic thing. So to put it in another way, you want to manifest, let's say you want to manifest a new job, a job that you love, a job that that pays you more, a job that perhaps maybe you get on much better with your colleagues, or perhaps let's say you run your own business and you want to manifest more clients that you love working with, clients that will pay you on time, and you want money to be coming in every month. Let's say you want, I don't know, 10K every month, you want 100K every month. These are the things that you're manifesting. The money and the clients and the job and the amazing colleagues, these are all the physical perception. Underneath that is actually what you're going to feel, the feelings of like feeling happy in a new job, feeling that you're being of value in the new job, the feeling that you have more financial ease in your business, that you're not worrying for money, the feeling that you can afford anything that you want to buy, the feelings that you have clients that you can absolutely be yourself with. Those are the things that we're actually desiring. But in our physical human way of being, the physical thing is what makes us know that we've achieved it. So then, to dig a little bit into this, when we start to look at things like this, and you start to know that, okay, is the feelings that actually is the most important thing, is the thing that you're actually desiring, then you start to see that those things that you're desiring is not external of you to get. These are things that are already here, and you can start to feel, and you can start to be even before you start to see the actual physical thing. Now, this is where relaxation really comes into play, because in order to really feel those things up to the extent where you feel and you actually believe that you have it, there has to be this level of relaxation. Like your body needs to be so relaxed that it actually feels safe, that you start to truly believe it. And this is where many people fall when it comes to visualization and trying to manifest, because we've been told that, visualize it and journal it and say the mantra. And these people are trying to manifest this stuff, saying it, reciting the mantra, journaling it out, but really their body doesn't feel it. Their body doesn't feel it. So there is a misalignment here. Now, when you start to learn about relaxing your body, and you start to learn about this process of bringing your body into relaxation, regardless of the situation that you are in, regardless of what is happening in your life at any particular time, and you bring your body into relaxation, so that your body is relaxed when you're doing this manifestation process, you start to have faster results. Manifestation is this process of moving through one reality into the next reality. It's an energetic process. The body has to have no meaning in this process, because we're going through an energetic process. So most people, they try and go through it with force, with hustle, with pushing, because they're so in their body. And then they're just like playing this game in this 3D world. The magic of what we are doing is we're taking it to a different dimension. And in this dimension, the body is less important. The soul and the spirit and the aura and the energies, those things are the things that we're working with, which means the body needs to relax. So the relaxation process, depending on how good you really get with it, will bring the body into a very subtle, into a very supple state, where we leave the body behind a little bit, and we move through this energetic field into the next, the next phase, the next reality that you're calling in. And then as we do that, as we get into that other side, then we can then come back into our physical strong phase. And this is why relaxation is so important. And this is why also it's so difficult when you're in challenging times to manifest, because your body is just so, the body is just so rigid. And no matter what you do, the body is like fighting for survival. But the good news is, if you know how to do these things that that I'm like teaching you in here about relaxation. It means that no matter your situation, no matter where you are, no matter the resources that you have or you don't have, you can learn to manifest in a totally different way that you have the power over, in a way that you're using your own inner resources and using your own inner power. So my challenge for you going forward, and we're going to talk more and more about this, is start to think about how you can relax more in your body, how you can bring in more relaxation into your daily life, ease that tension in your physical body every single day, not just like occasionally, but bringing in practices that will help you do that every single day. If you have any questions with anything that I've said today, post it below and I shall answer them. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so now, because there's always like this amazing esoteric manifesting topics that I bring here that I know can really make a difference in how you are creating your success. I'm Folake, and this is Manifesting with Folake. I speak to you soon.